Welcome back to Cocina y Soy. I'm your host, Carmen Julia, and today we're gonna be making a traditional Spanish recipe called Tortilla de Patata.
Peel and cut the potato into slices. As well as the onion. Put it aside. In a medium bowl, add the eggs. And sprinkle a pinch of salt in each yolk. Whisk and put it aside as well. In a frying pan at medium-high heat, add enough oil to cover the potato and onion. Let it warm up. Add the onion, followed by the potato, and cook for 10 minutes. Or until you're able to cut through the potato. Strain as much of the oil from the potato. Add them to the egg and let them rest for at least 5 minutes. In the same frying pan, at medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to bring its original taste and make sure it doesn't stick. Then, incorporate the mixture of egg, potato, and onion. Spread it across the pan. Cook for 2 minutes or until the egg is no longer runny. Turn off the fire with a plate bigger than the pan and flip. Bring the fire back and place the tortilla back. Cook it for another 1 minute or 2 if you want it well done.
And here it is, our tortilla de patata. Don't forget to smash the button and subscribe and hit the like. See you next week.